We are Serbs. A nation that throughout history gave millions of lives so that the world would be freed from evil today. The people who suffered so much, lost so many innocent lives. The people who gave everything for their freedom, for our people to live freely in our country. Throughout history, we have always been on the side of justice and fought successfully. Our people never gave their freedom and country to the enemy. We have been through a lot as a nation, but here we are still here. We breathe, we live, we work, we strengthen. We are still fighting, because the fight for our country and Serbs will never stop. We promised us never more suffering, never more expulsion, never more killing of Serbs. We will defend the freedom and life of Serbs forever. We have stood up, we are growing, we are smarter, we learn from the past and we look around with a watchful eye. The hatred that others have towards us has made us stronger over the years, taught us to be wiser. Surrounded by those who are bothered by the existence of the Serbian state, those who would like us to renounce our identity, we say that we are here, that we remain, and that the Serbian state will live forever.